Hello, this is Tricia from Paypro, and I am going to walk you through how Paypro's Workforce One application can help you handle COVID symptom screenings. There are two ways we can automate this screening. It can be done when the employee is clocking in by adding the Attestation module within the Time and Labor application, or we can assign wellness questionnaires to employees using our HR module. First, let's cover the Attestation module. You can have your employees take a COVID screening prior to starting work before they punch in. This is available to customers who use the Time and Labor module by adding the Attestation functionality. There is an additional monthly fee for this functionality. Let's log in as an employee using the mobile app. This process will happen regardless of what type of device the employee is using. They will be presented with these screening questions if they punch in using a timesheet, their mobile app, or an InTouch terminal. As you can see, I will click Punch In to start my day. Once I have clocked in, I will automatically be presented with a series of questions. These are questions I have created and attached to this process. Your questions can be created according to your company's requirements. Typically, our clients use the guidance from their state or federal departments of health or the CDC to develop the appropriate questionnaires. The employee is guided through a series of questions as the system memorializes each of the answers provided. If the employee answers the first question with a no, he will be presented with the next question. If this employee answers any of these questions with a yes, the system can be configured to restrict that punch in and give the employee a message. The system can then alert the employee's manager or someone in human resources that an employee has been prohibited from clocking in. You can also run reports on the historical responses to the questions. Through this method, you can ensure that every employee is screened each time they prepare to start their day. By intercepting potential persons who might have or might be carrying COVID, it ensures that all employees are following the guidelines. Another method to implement COVID screening is to create a questionnaire and assign it to an employee to complete. This is available to customers who use Paypro's Workforce One HR module. This method has been successfully used by companies to screen individuals as a requirement to authorize one-time access to a physical location. It can also be used as a longer-term strategy to ensure that employees who are required to perform their work at a physical location are following the guidelines set by your company on a daily basis. As you can see here, I have created a task and assigned it to my employees. An email can be sent to the employee requesting that they answer the questionnaire, and an in-application alert will be shown to the employee here as a task assigned for today. By clicking the task, it launches the same questionnaire process that we used when punching in. I can proceed through my answers, and again, any answers that require review will be emailed to the configured employees, such as my direct manager or an HR representative. Here is a sample notification that can be sent by the system to the employee's manager or maybe to a member of the HR team. Also, as the administrator, you would have access to a dashboard that will provide you with the details of the historical responses and alert you to some employees that you might have to have a discussion with. I'm sure you can appreciate the benefit of automating this task, which might be cumbersome to track manually. Thank you for your time.